Hello everyone, this is Syed Amin Abrar. In this video, we will see how to show an alert box if user have made any changes and he have not saved it, and whenever he try to go back, we want to show an alert box. This is how I have written the functionality. So we'll go through the logic part. How I have done this, and whenever the user clicks don't save, he'll navigate back to the previous page. So we'll dive into the code. I'll show you the coding part. What I've done is I've used a reactive form over here to create a form, and I've added three controls by name, email, and phone. For the back button, I've added a button in a header with an event called can page leave. I'll just go to TS code, and what I've done is I've imported nav controller and alert controller from Ionic Angular, and I've injected both into my constructor. And what I've done is I just made a form group with this controls, and their initial value is empty. Now I'll just dive into the main logic, that is a can page leave. Here, what I'm doing is I'm checking my form if the object exists. Then what I'm doing is I'm checking for if there are some changes made. Here I've used pristine. Here what this does is if user may make any changes, it will return as the value with false. If there are no changes, it will return as the value with true. So in this control, whenever we get value true, then what I'm doing is I'm creating an alert. Sorry, I'm creating an alert, and in this alert I have added a header and a message with two buttons. And these buttons, whenever user clicks on don't save, then what I'm doing is I'm navigating that user to the previous page by using nav controller. Then whenever user clicks on save, then I'm just updating my form. You guys can comment it, and you can just do whatever you want. And then here comes the other part. When the form is, for example, if there is no change in the form, then I'm just navigating them to the previous page. This is how I have written the logic. I'll just push my code into my repo, and I'll give the my repo link in description, so you guys can refer it, and you can just use it in your projects. And then I'll just show you like the other part. I'll go to the form, and whenever I have not made any changes in my form, and when I click back, it will not show the pop-up box. So this is how I've done, and in this there's another issue. So we'll rectify that issue. No, not rectify. We'll try to fix that issue in next video. The issue is that whenever you I've made some changes over here, and whenever I click the browser back button, it will be the alert box will not be shown. Why? Because we have not written logic for that. So I'll cover that part in my next video. See, when I'll click this button, there is no alert box. So stay tuned. Thank you.